Hello everyone, today we'll take a look at the 5 best swivel stools that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, Boss Office Products Medical Spa Stool. You need a convenient stool that you can always move whenever needed. This is one swivel and portable stool that will provide you with long-term and excellent service. The stool has an ergonomic design that will aid in emulating the natural shape of the spine. This is meant for enhancing the level of comfort and productivity. Apart from this stool is strong and can support up to 250 pounds maximum weight. This is why it is recommended for use at different places like bar and salon. The seat can also be adjusted within a range of 6 inches. This will suit the use at different table heights. With the various colors to choose from, the swivel stool will assure you of the ultimate comfort. The quality steel frame makes it great for long-term use. At number 4, Roundhill Furniture Swivel Black Bonded Leather Adjustable Hydraulic Bar Stool. A wide selection of products include pieces for the living room, dining room, bar, office and outdoors. High quality and innovative designs make this stool the premier company for luxurious modern style. This stool features a sturdy chromed base and a handy lift mechanism with a built-in 360 degrees swivel function and footrest that allows the stool to adjust from counter to bar heights. This air-lift adjustable bar stool with faux leather seat that have been injected with foam for added comfort comes in set of 2. Photo may slightly different from actual item in terms of color due to the lighting during photo shooting or the monitor's display. Some assembly required, all parts and instructions included. At number 3, Flash Furniture Contemporary White Vinyl Adjustable Height Bar Stool. The stool has a rounded mid-back design and a cutout back. Its seat and back are padded with 1.5 of foam and upholstered in soft fabric. The height adjustable swivel seat easily adjusts from counter to bar height using the convenient gas lift handle located just below the seat. The attractive footrest and base complement the stool's modern design. Fours, greater than a plastic ring, embedded in the base, protects your floor by sliding smoothly when you need to move the stool. Make dinner time entertaining with a barstool. From the kitchen to the dining table, dining stools are versatile pieces of furniture for hanging out. At number 2, WEN 73012 300-pound capacity pneumatic rolling mechanic stool seat. Remember when you could cruise around the garage in comfort? It's time to get low and get comfortable with the WEN 300-pound capacity pneumatic mechanic stool. This seat features a thick and absorbent vinyl-wrapped multi-layered padding to protect your personal cushion during those long days inside the shop. The pneumatic lever allows for adjustment to the creeper chair anywhere from 15 to 20 inches, featuring ball-bearing construction for a long lifespan and 5 2-1/2 inch durable swiveling casters for omnidirectional movement. With an onboard storage tray, you'll have quick and easy access to your most commonly needed tools. Work from the ease of your own WEN 300-pound capacity pneumatic mechanic seat. Remember when could do your work sitting down. Remember when. Finally, at number 1, Trinity Chrome Swivel Barstool 2-pack Bar Stool. The chrome swivel stool is designed for style and function. The heavy-duty construction and thick padded cushion provide comfort and stability in any environment. Sturdy double-ring construction provides both strength and stability. With a 300 pounds weight capacity, this stool is durable and built to last. At 30 inches tall, this stool is ideal for most bar height counters, usually measured at 41 inches to 43 inches tall. The seat rotates 360 degrees for easy accessibility to reach for items or complete a task. If something is on your left side, right side, or behind you, no need to stand up, simply rotate in the desired direction. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.